So you might be stuck in a situation where your iPhone is just giving you some very, very sticky buttons. Now, what is this? Well, basically, it's when your iPhone, or really any phone, you basically get some like residue on the side, or basically sometimes you may have like you put your phone in your pocket and there's something in your pocket that gets stuck on the side, or maybe you spill something on your iPhone. There's so many things like that that can happen. Now, the very first thing I would recommend doing is just always going through and figuring out which button it is. So, in case if it's like a volume button of some sort, or whatever the case is, all you want to do is take a close look at those specific buttons. So in this case, if I zoom in, you want to see if there's anything on the exterior of these buttons that you can go ahead and see where you can go ahead and kind of pry something out. So if you can, I would recommend just kind of peeling out any of like the sticky residue or anything like that at all. In fact, you could also try grabbing your sort of like microfiber cloth and try gently cleaning out the sides of these buttons. If you're able to go ahead and get some stuff out of those specific buttons like that, that's probably one of the biggest things you could probably do. And that's a very, very important thing that I would probably recommend doing. Now, on top of that, if that's not working, what I would recommend doing and checking out is trying to grab some sort of like isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. You probably have some in your house. This is a great way of kind of scrubbing things outside of like the sticky residue and things like that outside of your device. So what I would recommend doing is taking a little bit of this and putting it on some sort of microfiber cloth. You don't have to go overboard. You can just literally put a tiny, tiny bit. I put a very, very tiny bit on it just like there. And once you go ahead and put a little bit on a microfiber cloth like that, all you want to do is do the exact same thing that we just did. So grab the microfiber cloth and gently kind of, I wouldn't say soak it in, like don't put too much that you're going to water damage your phone, but kind of put a little bit in it. And then what you want to do is click the buttons in and out. And you want to kind of go ahead and get just a tiny bit inside of the volume buttons. Again, you don't have to go crazy, but just go and put a little bit there. And what's going to happen there is these buttons will then kind of free up. And if you just keep doing that over and over again, the buttons will then free up a little bit. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. It's a very, very basic process. Now, if it's a lot of residue, then again, it's not going to work. But if it's a little bit, it's worked for me. And it may end up working for you too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.